Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how we can replace the sky of our videos in CapCut. Okay, here I have created a project in my CapCut application, and for example, I'm going to replace the sky in this video with the new sky. And first of all, we can click on the overlay and click on add overlay, and we're going to select a video we would like to use to replace the sky with. And here I have downloaded a video. I'm going to replace the sky in my video with this video. So we can click on the video and click on add to import this video to our CapCut project. And I'm going to zoom in a little bit to fit the screen. And we're going to put mask. So we can scroll all the way to the right until we find the mask option. Tap on the mask and select horizontal mask. And okay. And we can adjust the position like this. I'm going to drag this mask like this. And I'm going to drag this arrow, drag it down to blend the video. Okay, and to make it more natural, I think we have to blend the video. So we can go to the blend option, click on the blend option, and I'm going to select this one. Okay, and I think it has been blended well. Then we can click on the check mark button. And now let's just take a look at the final result. I'm going to play the video. Okay. Alright guys, and that's how we can replace the sky in our video in CapCut application. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you on the next video.